there will be some time interval, and it will act as then it will do the process, and the third and fourth, like that it's keep on going on the processing. This is called as an discrete signal. So in our periodic signal, because in our subject digital signal processing, you know already what is digital signal processing. So if you want to convert your signal analog to digital, you have to go for the digital signal processing. Why we are going for this digital? Because for example, we in the traditional age, what we have did is, if you want to measure that temperature, or if you want to measure that pressure, these are all things is with the help of analog signals. So nowadays the technologies had a wide have a wide thing to overcome that analog thing as and digital. You know already digital is zeros and ones. So it changes the revolution, like changes the analog to digital. If you want to convert your analog signal, you can use the digital signal processing. You can sense the information, or you can say you can send the signal to that digital filter. It will convert into the digital signal processing. And you know one thing, what is a signal? And the signal, you know already, the signal is nothing but it will carry the information from one place to another place. That is called as a signal. You know very well about the signal, right? So signal is nothing but it will carry the information from one place to another place. So in our subject, we are taking the information. That means we are taking the information from one place to another place with the help of digital signal processing. Here we are taking the analog signal and converting into the digital processing, because for the more accuracy and for a more efficient result, we are going for this digital signal processing. Okay, now so I have gone for a lot of basic things, and we just continue with our periodic signals. The periodic signal is said to be periodic if it gets repeated for every finite interval of time. So already I said, if you're having some like a 4 as an height of this waveform, so it will keep on goes with a 4. So that is called as a periodic signal. Then when the problem have to satisfies this equation, that means x of n is equal to x of n plus 1. When it is equal, we can say it as a periodic signal. And then we are going for the aperiodic signal. Okay, now what is aperiodic signal? What does aperiodic signal? So already I said, the signal is said to be, when it is said to be aperiodic, means it does not repeat. Okay, it does not repeat at definite interval of time. Okay, so aperiodic is nothing but it does not repeat. When the signal is to be aperiodic, means it does not repeat at definite interval of time. Now we are studying about the discrete signal. So I can give you example for discrete thing. For example, like this, it won't be a repeating interval, it may be like this way. Okay, this is called as an aperiodic signal. And how to satisfy in the mathematically, how can we say this with this relationship in aperiodic? Means x of n is equal to is not equal to x of n plus n. So n plus n for all n. Okay, so aperiodic is nothing but it does not repeat at any definite interval of time. It does not follow any interval of time. It will have random values. So, and mathematically we can say that a periodic signal is x of n is not equal to x of n plus n for all n values. Now we are going to do 2 problems or 3 problems in how to check a periodic or not. Okay, first of all we will check the answers. So first question is, check whether the given signal are periodic. So check whether the given signals are periodic or not. So we are going to take a simple problem, and I'm going to give you some explanation about the problem. Okay, x of n. So we are studying about the discrete value. So our denotation would be x of n, and if you want to do it in x of t, that is called a continuous signal. If you want to say it in x of n, it is called as an discrete signal.